We've got some more Ultimate Collection. We're still looking. Hopefully we can pull something big. I don't know what that is. There's some paint on it or something. But yeah, hopefully we can pull something big. Hopefully Celebrini, something patch, shield, anything like that. I know the Gretzky 101 shield has been pulled. But yeah, let me find my box cutter and we will get into this. We will go... Bam. It's going to be a short video. Only one pack, 4 cards per pack. We all know nothing new. I do have some Allure coming. A couple boxes of that. Yeah, we'll just have to wait and see what goes on here. Oh, it doesn't feel like a very thick pack. Uh-oh. We should probably get a blocker thingy majig, right? I don't know what to expect. It doesn't look like we got a thick card. That opened really weird. All right. We go like this. Plus this open. Put this guy like so. I saw the first card. I didn't mean to. Oh, we do have kind of a thick boy. It could just be ultimate emblems or something. All right. So our first card out of the pack is ultimate introductions of Yan Kuznetsov. They are super nice cards. I will give them that. It's just way too much money for 4 cards. All right. Let's see here. Ooh. There is Zach Ospchuk for the Senators. I believe that's a copper auto. Yeah, copper auto. Not bad, not bad. And ooh. Ultimate Rookies jersey, Seamus Casey, number 97 at a $4.99. Not too bad. All right. Now it's time for the big boy. It could be a big boy. Might not be. Ultimate Rookies. Ooh. That is a nice patch, I would say. Number 25 out of 99. Jet Lichenko patch. Auto patch. Does it have anything on the back? It's a little rough at the top there. Other than that, I would say that's not a bad card. That corner's got some white stuff up there, but all right, let's do a little recap and see what we get. All right, starting off with a Yan Kuznetsov. We got ultimate introductions of this guy. Not too shabby. And we pulled, there's all sorts of stuff on that patch card. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's something like down here. There's a little something up there. But, yeah, Seamus Casey Ultimate Rookie Jersey. Number 97 at a $4.99. And we pulled a Copper Ultimate Introduction Auto of Zach Ospchuk. That's not a bad card. And an Ultimate Rookies patch of Jet Lichenko, number 25 out of 99. Not a bad box. It could have been a lot better, but yeah, there you have it, folks. Like I said, we do have some what is it called? A lure coming. And yeah, we'll see what we do from there. Thank you everyone for tuning in. I appreciate it. You guys are awesome. Yeah, stay safe. Peace, everyone.